Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana and today we are working on our 18-inch pine reef. We are making this beautiful reef, spring reef. We got some beautiful yellow florals with some beautiful greenery. Look at that. And we are working on some beautiful ribbons. So with that, on those, you are going to need some pipe cleaners. And on this one, we got 3 10-inch lemon ones. We got 3 10-inch burlap. And we got 3 10-inch on the white. Let's get this one done first. So I'm going to scoot my little reef to the side, and we are just going to get these down. Look at my reef. What's the way it went? So we got, you can put them in any color you want. You know, I'm learning to coordinate the colors. But hey, practice makes perfect, no? There we go. We got that one. Got the burlap. We got the white. We're going to take this, put it together on top. Wind it together. Tighten it together and get our pipe cleaner. And attach it. There we go. And just twist. There you go. Move these to the side, either side, which way? One to the left, other to the right. And there we got it. Look at that. Okay, we are going to do this darker one. Darker color. We are going to make 3 of those. So we also made 3 of these. We're going to need 3 10-inch lemon, 3 10-inch white, and 3 10-inch black. Okay, so we're going to get the black color, we're going to get the white, and we are going to get this beautiful lemon color in here. We'll twist it together. There we go. See if it's the same length. Get this in here. And look at that. Get these together. And a twist. Twist with the ribbon. And there you go, everybody. So that we got these made. We're just going to push these to the side because they're ready to roll. And let's get our beautiful wreath back and let's get this together. Okay, first things first. We are going to get on our ribbons. Okay, we got one there, one here, one there. Like a triangle. Let's get these on. There we go. Got one. Let's get another one. Got that one. And then right here. There we go. Look at that. Now we're going to get our other ones on. Let's see. We're just going to go in between of these. In between. Let's get this. Kind of move these to the side so you can get in there. Oh, yeah. Ooh, this one wasn't open. Get these in there like that. Get it on the frame. Get that. I'm gonna get this. Take this one. Get it on the frame right here. There we go. Look at that, everybody. Then we're going to do one more right here. Let's get this in here. There we we got it. Let's move our bows around, fluff them up a little bit because we're still going to put our greenery, so we'll do that more after we're done. Okay, how's that looking? Now we're just going to get our greenery, and we are just going to lift up our beautiful bows and put these on. Grab some of your greenery, and there we go. Just keep going around. Lift up the ribbons, grab some, and turn this around this way. I kind of moved my camera different today with the lighting, so you can see the shadow. I'll just keep going. Lift and insert and attach. How's that looking, everybody? Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get this one up. I think this one's pretty. All reefs are beautiful. There we go. Look at that. Okay, now we got that. So now we're just going to go. Keep going around to the emptier spaces. Get some of these in here. There. Let me see. Some under here. There. Now, let's get some right in here. One more right here, huh? There we go. Ay, ay, ay. Oops. Cover up that white part right there. Get some more. There we go. How lovely. Okay, we got a couple more pieces. So what can we? That's going to be where floral's going. Got one more greenery. Stick some up in here. Right here, huh? There we go. Look at that, everybody. Oh, let's some of this straight in. Let's get these kind of bulged out so we can see what we're working with. Look at that. There we go. Then we are just going to place our beautiful florals in here. Look at how it brings out this. How it brings out this reef. If I could get them in there. There we go. Look at that. These are so beautiful. Okay, we got 4. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got it. There. Here, one more right here. And there it is, everybody. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Let's arrange the ribbons around. Whoops, I'm going to put this one to this side. There it is, everybody. Wow, beautiful. beautiful, huh? Okay, everybody, check this beauty out. Once again, look what we made today, everybody. Some beautiful ribbons, some greenery, some lovely yellow spring-colored flowers. Once again, everybody, I want to thank you for coming to my channel. If you got any ideas or inspiration, I just enjoyed my channel, consider pressing the subscribe button. And you will be notified of my upcoming videos. You also will help my channel grow. With that much thanks. Till the next video, everybody, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.